Imagine this, you have hundreds of PDFs, research papers or notes on your system, and finding one small piece of information feels like searching for a needle in a haystack. Frustration, right? Well, not anymore. In today's video, we are going to build. Welcome to Naga Automates. In today's video, we are going to build your own private AI-powered document search engine using Python and vector databases. No internet, no API keys, and most importantly, your data never leaves your computer. By the end of this video, you will be able to search through all your documents in seconds like a pro. So let's dive. Firstly, we can understand how it works. PDFs are loaded from the folder, text is split into smaller chunks for processing. Build vector database, embeddings are created using Hugging Face. Chunks are stored in Chroma vector DB. Search and retrieve. User enters a query, similarity search finds the top relevant chunks. Results are displayed with source and content. So let's start coding. First, install required libraries. Import OS. It provides functions interact with the operating system, like creating folders, checking paths. Import pypdf directory loader. It loads PDF files from a directory. Import recursive character text splitter. It splits long text into smaller chunks. Import Hugging Face embeddings. It creates embeddings using Hugging Face models. Import Chroma. It stores and searches embeddings in a local vector database. Now we are going to define directories for documents and database. Give your folder name where PDF files will be stored. Here, give your folder name where the vector database will be saved. Now we are going to create a function to load and split documents. Print a message to inform the user that PDFs are being loaded. Initialize loader to read PDFs from the given folder. This load all PDFs into memory. Print a message to show how many pages were loaded. It means each chunk will have up to 1000 characters. Overlap of 200 characters. Split documents into chunks. Now we return the list of chunks. Now we are going to build a function vector database. Print a message that informs the user about embedding creation. Next, we store chunks in ChromaDB locally. These are input chunks, embedding model, and it saves database to local folder. Print a success message and return the vector database. Next, we are creating a function to search documents. Print a message to show the search query. we start a for loop through results. It shows source of the result and print the actual text content. We start main program. Finally, let's tie it all together in our main block. We do a quick check to make sure our document folder exists. Then we load the chunks, build the database and drop the user into infinity loop where they can just keep asking questions until they type exit. Let's run it. These are my PDF files which are in the document folder. As you can see, it reads the PDFs, embeds them, and now I can ask it anything about my documents. And boom, instantly highly relevant results citing the exact source file. And just like that, you are build your very own private AI search engine running on your computer. No cloud, no tracking, just pure control over your data. You can use this for studying, analyzing research papers, reviewing legal documents, or even organizing your personal knowledge base. I have added the full code in the description below, so make sure to check it out. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe to Naga Automates for more powerful AI and Python projects, and I will see you in next video. You can also add PDF files to that folder later. If you want a more advanced version like a web app or desktop app, feel free to contact me.